Happy Sunday, everyone, and hello, I am back. Had a bit of a think, had a bit of a sort out in my own mind with me, myself, and Irene. Three-way conversation. But I've come back with some really fabulous news. If you do like the things that I'm about and what I'm showing on my site and on my YouTube site, do you know you can subscribe now? You can actually see more of me. That's if you really want to. For 99p. Literally, you can subscribe through Instagram for 99p. And ask me anything. Is there anything you want to know? Anything that you've seen on my YouTube that you wanted me to go through again, or just can you explain it again, would be fab. Also, guys, would really appreciate it if you actually could let me know if you'd like to see more of me. And that includes doing things like our morning workout. We'll do it all together, nice and live. Don't forget you can join me on YouTube as well. So we've got a couple of areas I can go. But yeah, I'm very, very excited to the fact that I can now have a subscription. So guys, I just wanted to let you know and share with you that cheered me up this morning. I did need it. I was going to make a quiche this morning, but I've just realised I've got no butter, so no pastry. But I hope everyone's having a great day. I'll be back in the pool tomorrow, so you can join me then, and we'll start the week with a smile on our face, and I'm going to keep going strong. So guys, have a great Sunday, and I hope your Monday is just as well. Take care, everyone.